What's next?
Finish.
Let's find the match.
Finish.
How about the sheep? Try the sheep. Where does the sheep go? Ba.
Nope.
Nope.
Finish.
Okay. Let's see. Where does the sheep go? Does it go here?
No.
No.
It
It fits.
fits.
Yay!
It
It
fits.
fits. What's next? It fits. The horsey fits. What's next?
Baby
Chicken?
rooster.
Rooster?
Baby chicken. Nope. Duck. Well, next.
What's next?
Baby the duck.
The baby duck? Okay, it fits.
Quack, quack. Quack, quack.
Quack, quack, quack.
What next? Baby ducky. What next?
What's
Baby
next?
the ducky.
The ducky and the babies? Okay.
More puzzle pieces. More.
Ta-da! You
puzzle
did it.
pieces.
More puzzle pieces. Okay.
Oh, wait. Oh, wait.
All right.
Oh, wait.
Which one do you want to start with?
Pick a truck. Pick a truck.
Pick one. There is no pickup truck, silly.
Pick a truck. A pick a truck.
You're so silly.
Pick a truck. Another pen. It's off. It's off.
Is it off?
And on.
And now
Not
it's on.
on.
It's not on.
It's not on. Let's see. Sound. Off. It's off. It's off. Show me.
Okay.
Show me.
Let's see. Where does the sheep go?
No.
Here?
No. No.
Here. Yeah.
It
It fits.
What next?
What's next?
Baby pig.
A pig. It fits. What sound does a pig make?
Where's duck?
Okay, you're not listening.
Quack, quack.
Quack, quack, quack for the duck. What's the matter? Oreo is sleeping. I know. So is Bella. You see Bella over there? Sleeping? Where's Pussycat? Is he sleeping too? Yep, he's sleeping right there on his little bed. Right over there. See? You see Fuzzy sleeping? And Oreo? What about Benny? Is he upstairs sleeping? Should Sebastian be sleeping? Mm-hmm.
Pig.
Pig. Duck.
No.
What's next? Hmm. Good job, man.
Pieces.
This puzzle's easy for you.
More pieces.
More puzzle pieces. After this time, we're going to go upstairs and get ready for bed. It's sleepy time soon.
Pickup truck.
What is-
Pickup
A
truck.
pickup truck. Are you silly? You're so silly. You are silly.
Bella is sleeping.
That's right, Bella is sleeping.
Bella.
You're so funny. Shh, everybody's sleeping. Shh. Now we need to whisper. She is. We have to whisper. Whisper. Okay.
Pieces. All right.
All right.
The with
Which one do you want to start with?
that.
Okay. That fits.
Yay.
Mm-hmm.
What next, baby pig? Who's red?
You're so silly. You're a silly monkey. You cracked me up, man. Okay.